Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, yes? Right, just listen. Today also we are going to discuss about the same lesson. The lesson name is Digital Circuit Applications. Okay. Did you finish your yesterday homework? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about Boolean algebra. Now we are going to discuss about Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra set of rules, laws and theorems by which logical operations can be expressed simple in equation form and be manipulated in new kind of basic idea of logic. The algebra used to symbolically describe logic function. Symbolically describe the logic function is therefore Boolean algebra. In this algebra we use only two types of numbers, one zeros and ones. Okay, what are the types we are use? Zeros and one. And basically in this algebra we use sign plus multiplications or overboard, plus multiplications or overboard. We used three types of logic operations used. Three symbols and three types of logic operations used. And or inventor. And or inventor means not. We are in the previous year also we are studied AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. We are studied also Boolean algebra for computer science. Now also we are going to study about AND or inventor means not. These three types of inverter are used in the Boolean algebra. Okay, now we will discuss about the laws of Boolean algebra. Now we will discuss about the laws of Boolean algebra. And first law of Boolean algebra is commutative law and distributive law and associative law. What are the types of law? Commutative law, associative law and distributive law. Now we are going to discuss about the first law, commutative law. Means we can apply commutative law in addition. We can apply addition or in multiplication. Addition or in multiplication. First commutative law addition, a plus b equal to b plus a. A plus b equal to b plus a. All of you take your book. The book page number is page number is 8. Did you take the page number, all of you? Okay, the first law is commutative law. Addition, a plus b equal to b plus a. Suppose we have two inputs. A and B. What are the inputs? We should give A and B. These are inputs. Look at your book. Okay, these are input. Look at your book. Look at this diagram. Check the page number 8. A and B is the input. A and B is the input. These are input. Okay, and we apply these two inputs, and we apply these two inputs on OR gate. Two inputs on OR gate. Now output become A plus B. Now output becomes A plus B. Now output becomes A plus B. And similarly, if we apply input similarly, if we apply input B and A, similarly we can apply B and A. OR gate, then output is B plus A. The output is B plus A, and this output is equal to this output, and this output is equal to this output. All of you take page number 8. We are take two inputs A and B for OR gate, and we are used to the same gate for A plus B in the AND gate. The output is equal. The output is equal means A plus B equal to B plus A. Commutative law of addition. Commutative law of addition. Similarly, we can apply commutative law in multiplication. Similarly, we can apply commutative law in multiplication. A into B equal to B into A. Here we should use AND gate and AND gate and OR gate. Suppose we have two inputs, we apply AND gate, output becomes A plus A into B. Now inputs are B and A, and again we applied AND gate. Now output is B and A, and result of the AB equal to BA. A into B equal to B into A. This is commutative law in multiplication. This is commutative law in multiplication. This is commutative law in multiplication. Okay. Everybody take your note and write Boolean algebra. Okay. Boolean algebra. The first one is commutative law, associative law, and distributive law. Commutative law, you have to take two inputs, A plus B equal to B plus A, or A into B equal to B into A. Okay. Okay, the second law is associative law. The second law is associative law. Now, second law in Boolean algebra is associative law. Associative law means A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. And we can see by logic operation. We can see by logic operation. Suppose this inputs A, B, C. Take your book and see. Take your book and see. Okay. A, B, C, and we can see by logic operations. Suppose these inputs A, B, C apply on OR gate become C. Now A plus B, C here by OR gate it becomes A plus B plus C, and similarly this is left hand side, logical operations and RHS become A plus B and apply OR gate become okay, first we should take input A, B, C. Again apply OR gate. It becomes A plus B. This is one input. A plus B, this OR gate. Okay, this is OR gate. And output, what is the output? A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C. These two are saved at logic gate. First see the truth table. First see the truth table of right hand side. After that we can return int on upper side. What is the upper side? A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Okay. If draw the truth table for LHS, you should be right A B C. A B C. இந்த A ல என்ன எழுதணும்னா 40 கீழே 4041. B ல என்ன எழுது? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 20 21 20 21 8 வரைக்கும். B plus C ல என்ன எழுது? 01 அப்படின்னு எது வரைக்கும் எழுதணும்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் A ல எப்படி போட்டுக்கோங்க? 40 போட்டுக்கோங்க, 41 போட்டுக்கோங்க. அடுத்து B ல என்ன போட்டுக்கணும்? 20 21 20 21. C ல 01 ஓகே. அப்புறம் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? 4041 2021. அப்போ நம்ம நார்மலாக ஆட் பண்ணுவோம்ல, B plus C அந்த ஃபார்முலா படி B plus C. B plus C னா என்னது? 0 plus 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Do you remember that? AND gate truth table, OR gate truth table, NOT gate. அது மாதிரி தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? இதையும் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேங்களா? Next A plus B plus C. Okay. If you have doubt means the correction time, that Boolean algebra, you should ask me. Okay. If you have doubt me that correction time, definitely you should ask. ஓகேங்களா? இந்த இடத்துல புரியலையோ அப்படியே கேளுங்க. I will explain. Okay. Now we move third Boolean algebra. Rules. Okay. Distribute law, and distribute law is A plus B plus C. Take page number 9. Take the page number and see. A plus B plus C equal to AB plus AC. This is distributive law. And first we draw the logic operation of LHS. It should be A input and 2 A is the input, two inputs. Sorry, A is the output, two inputs. B and C is the input. B plus C means we have apply OR gate. We have apply OR gate. It becomes P plus C. Everybody should put the line. 3 கோடு போட்டுக்கோங்க. அது B plus C க்கு என்ன பண்ணுங்க? என்ன கேட் போடணும்? ஒரு OR கேட் போடணும். OR கேட் போட தெரியும்ல? அப்புறம் A and A. Now A க்கு என்ன கேட் போடணும்? AND gate. சேதி என்ன கேட் போடணும்? AND gate போடணும். Okay. And if we draw the logic operation or HS, it becomes A dot B and input A input B input. Apply AND gate. It becomes A dot B. Now A input and this C is input. B and C is input. A and C, and after that we add apply OR gate. We have apply OR gate. We have apply OR gate. We have apply the OR gate. It's nothing. It is easy. It is easy only. It is easy. Okay. Listen. Okay, I will say again. இன்னொரு காட்டி கூட சொல்றேன். ஓகே, நல்லா லிசன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Boolean algebra. In this algebra, we use only two types of numbers and one. And basically, in this algebra, we use sign plus and plus int or mean over plus int or overboard. We use three types of symbols. Sorry, we should use three symbols. What are the symbols? Plus, int, or. Types of logic operation. Three types of logic operations used. And or inventor means not. These three types of inventor all used in this Boolean algebra. Now we will discuss about the law of Boolean algebra. And first law of Boolean algebra is commutative law. Means we can apply commutative law in addition or in multiplication. First commutative law, addition. A plus B equal to B plus A. A plus B equal to B plus A. Suppose we have two inputs. Suppose we have two inputs, A and B. Suppose we have two inputs, A and B. These are input. Look at your book, and we apply these two inputs on OR gate. Inputs on OR gate. Now output becomes A plus B. Now output becomes A plus B. A plus B. Similarly, if we apply input B and A, or this output means A plus B equal to B plus A. Commutative law of addition. Similarly, we can apply commutative law in multiplication. A into B equal to B plus B into A. Suppose we have two inputs, we apply AND gate, output becomes A into B. Now output is B. and A, and result of these two are AB equal to BA. This commutative law in multiplication. Now second law in Boolean algebra. In second law in Boolean algebra is associative law. Associative law means A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C, and we can see by logic operation. Now, and we can see by logic operation. Suppose this input, suppose this input A plus C, apply this input A plus B OR gate becomes C. Now A B plus C. Here by OR gate it becomes A plus B plus C, and similarly this left side logic operations and OHs become A plus B, and apply OR gate becomes, and this is C input. This is the C is the input. Again apply OR gate. Again apply OR gate, and it becomes A plus B. This is one input A plus B. This OR gate. This OR gate is what? C is the OR gate. And output A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C. These two are same and logic came. First see the truth table of right side. After that we can return it on upper side. Return upper side A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. If we draw the truth table, we should draw the truth table. Okay, all of you take your note and write. Put the heading Boolean algebra. First you have to write. Take the book and write. Though you have studied three important basic Boolean operations: addition, multiplication, complementations or inversion. Other than else, there are three important basic laws, as like in mathematical algebra. Laws in mathematical algebra. They are commutative law, associative law and distributive law. Commutative law, the law by addition and multiplication say that the order in which variables are odd and makes no difference, as the same assure is array at either way. I already explained, that's why I will read the book. Okay, did you understand? Okay, commutative law of addition of two variables A plus B equal to B plus A. Okay, commutative law of multiplications for two variables means A into B equal to B into A. A into B equal to B into A. Okay. The next associative law means this law of addition and multiplications that in the ORing or ANDing of several variables more than two. Grouping of the variable is immaterial and the addition result obtained are the same these laws of addition and multiplication for three variables are written algebraically. Okay, see this figure. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, see the diagram. Okay, all of you take your note and write. Okay, for commutative law and that formula, addition of two variables and commutative law of multiplication of two variables, you should write, and put diagram also you should draw. And associative law, you should write that formula and diagram. And distributive law also you have to write the formula. Okay guys. Okay, after what we are going to do, okay, everybody should buy the Dawn guide. Everybody should buy the Dawn guide. Okay, everybody should buy the Dawn guide. Okay. Okay, Dawn guide vangi. Your homework is the 10 mark question is there. You should write the 10 mark question. What are the three basic Boolean laws? What are the three basic Boolean laws? Define each with example. You should write. Everybody should buy the Dawn guide. Everybody should buy the Dawn guide. Okay. Everybody should buy the Dawn guide, and you should write the homework. That homework is, what are the three basic Boolean laws? Define each with example. Okay, this is your homework. Okay guys, and okay, I will give 2 more minutes. Write neatly. I will give 2 more minutes. Are you writing? Are you writing, guys? Okay, write neatly. Okay, I will give 1 more minute. Write neatly.